Well, learning English has never been easy for me. It was a very difficult time when I was learning English. I was very confused and I did not know what to do, how to, go about it, and what sort of sentences to use, how to communicate with my professors, with my peer groups, with my friends. Even though, Hindi was my go to language and I was really comfortable in it, but I really wanted to learn English, and I wanted to know how it felt when somebody is speaking English so eloquently, so profoundly, and in a manner which you feel in awe with. And I wanted to learn that kind of language, and I'm always fascinated by English, but back then I was struggling with the language and I did not know how to do it. But if I look back and see myself and the way I have work on myself and have grown up the way I have, and now speaking in front of you all and speaking with people in English is something I feel proud of, and I feel like, yeah, this is something this is something working for me as well, and I can also speak English. Being in a space where nobody was speaking English, and nobody was interacting with me in English, how did I get to know here when I can easily speak, understand, read, write, get my best IELTS score and get the atmosphere to learn, speak, and enhance the way I want my personality to be in English. That's a journey I feel really excited about, and I want to share more with you in coming days and as much as possible, and I will help you understand like how I learned it, what did I do, and what kind of method I used to understand and learn this language. Of course, the journey is not very simple and was full of roller coaster rides, but I managed to overcome them, and here I am speaking with you, and it feels surreal to me to speak in this language, but I feel happy. And if you want to learn English and you want to sound just like a person who knows English and who can speak English in front of anybody confidently, comfortably, without being without being like do not without being hesitated in a way, and just speak your words, speak your sentences, and just express your thoughts, express your feeling in a manner which is right for you, then you are in the right space. Let's learn this language together, and